Hello, marketing voyagers. Welcome to another episode of Data Beats Opinion. Our question today comes from Carl in New York City. Carl is grappling with scattered data across multiple tools and platforms and is looking for a way to unify his view of marketing efforts. Carl, it's fantastic that you're keen on optimizing data integration. Let's dive in and discover how to turn your scattered data into powerful, actionable insights. Imagine trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle, but the pieces are scattered across different rooms. Tough, isn't it? That's essentially the challenge you're facing with scattered data in your business. You need all the pieces together in one place to see the complete picture. This applies to your marketing as well. When you integrate data from various sources into a cohesive whole, you transform raw data into actionable intelligence. You'll have a comprehensive view of your marketing performance, customer behavior, and business outcomes. This empowers you to make informed decisions, identify opportunities, and spot bottlenecks, optimizing your marketing strategy. Better yet, it saves time as you don't have to hop between platforms to collect and compare data. The question is, how can you pull it off without needing a PhD in data science? Well, Carl, you're going to love what SegMetrics can do for you. But before we dive in, let's tackle your worries. Is it really possible to integrate all data sources? Won't I lose some details? Is it safe to bring everything together? The answer, Carl, is yes. Yes, and absolutely. SegMetrics has been built with these very concerns in mind. So let me show you how it works. SegMetrics seamlessly integrates all your data across multiple platforms. It normalizes all this data together, from demographic information, e-commerce transactions, website analytics, and sales calls into one comprehensive data lake. From the integrations page, you can connect over 100 different data sources to add to your analytics. Plus, connecting with most services is as simple as a single click. At the heart of SegMetrics is our people-based tracking technology. This links all your marketing efforts to individual users, creating a unified profile across all data sources. To see who's making an impact in your report, just click on the people icon for a detailed list to have confidence that your reporting is accurate. Click on a profile to dive into their entire customer journey, tracing every step they took in your marketing funnel, all the way back to before they opted in. The result? An end-to-end view of your marketing efforts and the power to make truly informed decisions. And with that, we wrap up another insightful journey with SegMetrics. Thanks for your question, Carl. Until the next episode, remember, every piece of data holds a story. Let's help you tell yours.